Today in this video we will start new chapter, that is chapter number 5. The chapter name is When We Share. So this chapter it is taken from the book Be Positive, a textbook of moral value standard 7. So let's get started. First of all, we will discuss the title When We Share. So in this chapter we will able to understand the importance of cooperation and teamwork. We will develop the habit of sharing. We will come to know that it is very it makes us happy when we help others and bring a smile on their face. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to read the first paragraph, and then after that I will recite the poem, then give explanation. Sharing forms the basis of human life. All human beings have common needs, and we have to make sure that we give each other portion of what we need to survive. It allows people to relate and connect and take responsibility of each other's needs. It sets the accepted way to treat others and how to live in peace and be an accepted individual. Sharing is the thread that joins human beings together and makes them different from other creatures. So first of all, this paragraph it tells us about that sharing it is the form the basis of human life. All human beings, we the people, we all have common needs, and we have to make sure that we give each other portion that of what we need to survive. So we the people, we have common needs. Common needs, as we can say, we need house to live in, we need food to eat, we need clothes to wear. So this is common, these are all are the common needs that every person should must have. So but in our world, in the society, somebody had somebody some people are very rich, or some, whereas some people are very poor. People have a lot of things, lot of extra thing, where somebody have insufficient amount of money to buy the food. So if someone needs our help, if we share something valuable things to someone, then it will bring a smile on their face. So sharing something, it allows people to connect and relate and take responsibility of each other needs. Okay, it will establish a healthy relationship between the people among in the society. So it's an accepted way to treat others, that how to live in the peace, how the people we should live in peace, and how to accept individual means uh, uh, person comes from different background. So sharing is the trade, sharing is the trade trade means connection that joins human beings together and makes them different from other creatures. So I am going to recite the poem, after that I will explain. When we share with someone else something valuable to us, you may find out later on to them they feel they were blessed. Some of us some of us have lots to give, and some of us do not. If someone could benefit, why not give them a shot? Sharing is a wonderful thing, especially to those you have shared with. There are a lot of kind people out there, and that is not a myth. So, next time you see someone who could benefit from something you can share, don't hold back and look away. Be kind and answer their prayer. First stanza, it describes that whenever we share something with someone else, something valuable, we will find later that they will feel blessed to have us in our life. So always try to help others, always try to share something that is valuable to us and that person needs that thing. So you will find out that that person feel blessed to have you in their life. Second stanza, it describes some of us have lots to give and some of us do not. If someone could benefit, why not give them a shot? In the ad I already explained, some people have a lot of things, whether some people have do not have. So always, if you have a lot of things, then why can't you share the things to someone who needs that thing? So we should always be ready to share the thing that the person who needs that thing, that will makes you happy, and that also sharing the thing, it will bring a smile on the people face, the people that you have shared the thing. Sharing is a wonderful thing, especially to those you have shared with. There are a lot of kind of people out there, and that is not a myth. So sharing is a wonderful thing. Okay, it establishes a connection between individual. Okay, and sharing, it is the connection that join the human beings together and makes them different from other creatures. And also when we go out from our house, we see there are a lot of people who help others, who share, even if if we need something, that the person always ready to share that thing to us. So always try to share the valuable thing, share the thing that the person needs. Last stanza. So next time when you see someone who could benefit from something you can share, don't hold back and look away. Be kind and answer their prayer. So whenever, after after understanding the importance of sharing, if whenever you see someone who needs your help, who want to, who who could get benefit from something that you can share, don't hesitate to sharing someone valuable things to them. Always be always ready to share something to someone, and also answer their prayer what they are praying to their god. Always share the thing that is very valuable for for both of you, the person that you have and the person that don't have. So explanation summary of the poem I have already given. Let's see the question answer. Tick the correct option. First, we should share with someone. That is useless to us, that is valuable to us, that is not ours. So option B is correct, that is valuable to us. Question number 2, how will the person feel when you share something with him? So when you share something with him, the person feel blessed. So option A is correct, blessed. Now exercise B, answer the following question. Why it is important to share? Because sharing something, it is very important to share, that it establishes a connection between human beings and makes them different from the other creatures. And also it allows people to relate and connect and take responsibility of each other needs. What does sharing bring us? Listen, sharing brings a smile. Whenever we share the valuable things to someone, it will it it will bring a smile on their face. Write the summary of the poem in your word. Summary, I have already given explanation. I have already given the summary. I hope if you have not understood, just start this video again and listen carefully, then you will be able to, then you will get the summary of this poem. Thank you and have a wonderful day.